Welcome, everyone. I'm ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up the standalone contacts app, which can be located or can be found right here. And from the app, tap on the three bars and go to import and export. And number one, we're going to select import from SIM, which is selected by default. So that's where our contacts are located, and tap on next. And we want to move it to, we have only one option, phone, but if you were logged in Google account, then I assume or expect that it would also be showing up here. So you would see the Google account as an option to transfer it to. Let's tap on next again. And then you have a list of all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, which you can also see by the number next to it. So you have the letter and then SIM icon and a number to it. There's two SIM trays, so it would show you either number 1 or 2, depending what SIM tray it is inserted in. And simply from here you want to select all the contacts that you wish to transfer. So you would just tap on them like so. And once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on OK. And 3 contacts have been imported. Now, as you can see, if I can quickly find, there we go. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And those are the ones that are repeating and also that don't have the SIM icon on the side. So they're now on the phone. But that is how you would import them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.